Are you looking for the best robot vacuum to handle pet hair, carpets, hard floors, and everyday messes with less effort? Modern robot vacuums now offer powerful suction, advanced mopping systems, automatic dust emptying, hot water mop washing, obstacle avoidance, and smart app controls. In this video, we've selected the 5 best robot vacuums of 2026 based on suction power, mopping performance, navigation accuracy, pet hair handling, carpet protection, automated maintenance, and overall value. Whether you need a slim robot for cleaning under furniture, a self-cleaning roller mop, or a fully automated system for a large home, there's an excellent option on this list. Stay tuned until the end to discover which robot vacuum earned the #1 spot and why it's our top recommendation. Let's get started. Number 5. Yuthi C28 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Starting our list at number 5 is the Yuthi C28, a powerful robot vacuum and mop designed for busy homes and families with pets. It combines strong suction, a self-cleaning roller mop, anti-tangle technology, and an automated cleaning station to reduce everyday floor care maintenance. The C28 delivers up to 15,000 PA of suction, helping collect pet hair, crumbs, dander, and fine dust from hard floors and short-pile carpets. Its duo spiral brush is designed to prevent long hair and pet fur from wrapping around the roller, reducing the need for manual cleaning. When it detects carpet, the robot can automatically increase suction and lift the mop by 10.8 millimeters. For mopping, the 28-centimeter hydrojet roller rotates at 270 RPM and continuously cleans itself using 24 water ports and a built-in scraper. The all-in-one station automatically empties the dust bin into a 3-liter bag, washes the mop, collects dirty water, refills clean water, and dries the roller with 50° C hot air. LiDAR navigation maps rooms and avoids common obstacles without using a camera. Pros: powerful 15,000 PA suction, self-cleaning hydrojet roller mop, duo spiral anti-tangle brush for pet hair, automatic dust emptying and water refilling, mop washing, and 50° C hot air drying, up to 75 days of reduced maintenance, privacy-focused LiDAR navigation, up to 140 minutes of battery life, app and voice controls. Cons: large cleaning station requires dedicated floor space, designed mainly for hard floors and short-pile carpets. Overall, the Yuthi C28 offers impressive vacuuming, active mopping, and automated maintenance. Its powerful suction and pet hair features make it our number 5 pick for the best robot vacuums of 2026. Number 4. MOVA P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 Robot Vacuum and Mop. Coming in at number 4 is the MOVA P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2, a powerful robot vacuum and mop built for deep cleaning, pet hair pickup, and highly automated maintenance. Its all-in-one dock handles dust emptying, mop washing, drying, and cleaning solution refilling, making it a strong choice for busy homes. The robot delivers up to 26,000 PA of suction with 5 power levels to collect fine dust, crumbs, and pet hair from hard floors, floor gaps, and carpets. Its triple anti-tangle system uses a V-shaped Rubbermaid brush, side brush, and anti-tangle wheel to reduce wrapped hair. Maxi-Reach technology extends cleaning closer to walls and corners, while the mop pads can lift by 10.5 millimeters when carpet is detected. For mopping, Turbo Press technology applies 12 newtons of downward pressure, while the pads rotate up to 270 RPM to tackle dried stains. The dock washes the mop pads using water heated up to 212 Fahrenheit, then dries them with hot air in approximately 1 hour. It also offers automatic dust emptying for up to 100 days, with separate 4.5-liter clean water and 4-liter dirty water tanks. Pros: powerful 26,000 PA suction, 5 adjustable suction levels, 212 Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, 1-hour hot air mop drying, triple anti-tangle design for pet hair, 12 Newton mop pressure and 270 RPM rotation, extendable edge cleaning mop, automatic dust emptying for up to 100 days, large clean and dirty water tanks, app and voice controls, 3-year manufacturer warranty. Cons: large dock requires considerable floor space. Listed battery life is only 40 minutes. Designed for 110-120 volt systems in the United States and Canada. Overall, the MOVA P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 combines extremely strong suction, intensive hot water mop cleaning, and excellent pet hair management. Its advanced automation and edge cleaning performance make it our number 4 pick for the best robot vacuums of 2026. Number 3. Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Flow Robot Vacuum and Mop. Taking the number 3 spot is the Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Flow, an advanced robot vacuum and mop designed for homes with pets, carpets, and frequent spills. It combines powerful suction, real-time mop cleaning, intelligent obstacle avoidance, and a multifunctional dock for highly automated floor care. The robot delivers up to 20,000 PA of suction to collect dust, crumbs, and pet hair from hard floors and carpets. Its Duo Zero Tangle system uses dual short rollers and an upgraded side brush to reduce wrapped hair. The Spira Flow Roller Mop applies 15 newtons of pressure, rotates at 270 RPM, and continuously cleans itself while working to reduce streaks and prevent dirty water from being spread across the floor.
Roborock's dirt size system identifies different messes and adjusts its cleaning strategy automatically. It can increase suction for dry debris or lift the brushes and switch to mop-only cleaning for liquid spills. On carpets, the mop lifts up to 15 millimeters, while the roller shield helps separate wet and dry areas. Reactive AI recognizes more than 200 object types, and precision LiDAR supports detailed mapping for up to 4 floors. Pros: powerful 20,000 PA suction, real-time self-cleaning roller mop, 15 Newton pressure, and 270 RPM mop rotation. Duo Zero Tangle Brush System, AI-based dry and wet mess detection, recognizes more than 200 object types. Mop lifts up to 15 millimeters on carpets, 167 degrees C mop washing, and 131 degrees C hot air drying. Automatic dust emptying and water refilling. Long battery life of up to 242 minutes. App and voice controls. Cons: large dock requires dedicated floor space. Supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. Advanced features may take time to configure. Overall, the Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 Flow delivers strong vacuuming, intelligent stain detection, impressive carpet protection, and highly automated maintenance. Its advanced navigation and continuously cleaned roller mop make it our number 3 pick for the best robot vacuums of 2026.
Number 2. ECOVACS Debot X9S Pro Omni. Taking the number 2 spot is the ECOVACS Debot X9S Pro Omni, a premium robot vacuum and mop designed for deep cleaning, pet hair, sticky spills, and large multi-room homes. It combines extremely strong suction, an actively scrubbed roller mop, intelligent carpet protection, and a highly automated Omni station. The robot delivers up to 30,000 PA of suction to remove dust, crumbs, and pet hair from hard floors and low-pile carpets. Its Zero Tangle 4.0 system helps prevent long hair from wrapping around the brush. For mopping, the Osmo Roller 3.0 continuously rinses itself with clean water while applying pressurized scrubbing, helping remove dried stains without spreading dirty water across the floor. The True Edge 3.0 system extends the roller towards walls and corners for improved edge cleaning. On carpets, the roller lifts by approximately 15 millimeters, while Carpet's first mode vacuums carpeted areas before wet mopping begins. The Omni station automatically empties dust, refills water, washes the roller with water heated up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit, and dries it using 145 degrees Fahrenheit hot air. Agent Wyco voice control, AI obstacle avoidance, pet finding features, and a listed 200-minute battery life add further convenience. Pros: extremely powerful 30,000 PA suction, real-time self-cleaning Osmo roller mop, pressurized scrubbing for dried stains, True Edge 3.0 cleans close to walls and corners, Zero Tangle 4.0 for pet and long hair, separate standard and heavy-duty cleaning solutions, 167 degrees Fahrenheit hot water washing, 145 degrees Fahrenheit hot air drying, automatic dust emptying and water refilling, 15mm mop lift for carpet protection, up to 200 minutes of battery life, app, voice, and AI controls. Cons: large Omni station requires dedicated floor space, supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. Built-in camera features may not appeal to privacy-conscious users. Overall, the ECOVACS Debot X9S Pro Omni delivers powerful vacuuming, true roller-based scrubbing, excellent edge cleaning, and highly automated maintenance. Its outstanding cleaning performance makes it our number 2 pick for the best robot vacuums of 2026. Number 1. Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete Robot Vacuum and Mop. Taking the number 1 spot is the Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete, a premium robot vacuum and mop designed for powerful cleaning, low-clearance furniture, pet hair, and highly automated maintenance. Its ultra-slim body, extreme suction, advanced obstacle detection, and multifunctional dock make it ideal for busy homes. At just 3.13 inches tall, the robot can clean beneath sofas, beds, and other furniture that taller models may not reach. Its upgraded Duo Brush system delivers up to 35,000 PA of suction, helping remove embedded dust, debris, and hair from hard floors while reducing brush tangles. Dual AI cameras and proactive lighting recognize more than 280 obstacle types, allowing the robot to navigate around household objects more accurately. For mopping, dual rotating pads apply 15 newtons of pressure and spin at 230 RPM, while Mop Extend Robo Swing reaches closer to corners and underneath furniture. The 10-in-1 dock automatically empties dust for up to 100 days, refills water and cleaning solution, washes the mop pads using water heated up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and dries them with hot air. Battery life reaches up to 180 minutes, while app and voice controls allow customized cleaning routines. Pros: extremely powerful 35,000 PA suction, ultra-slim 3.13-inch design, recognizes more than 280 obstacle types, anti-tangle duo brush system, 15 newtons pressure and 230 RPM rotating mops, mop extend and side reach edge cleaning, 212 degrees Fahrenheit hot water mop washing, automatic emptying, refilling, and hot air drying, up to 100 days of dust storage, up to 180 minutes of battery life, includes extra brushes, mop pads, filters, and dust bags, 3-year warranty. Cons: large dock requires considerable floor space, supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only, designed specifically for use in the United States. Overall, the Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete offers outstanding suction, intelligent navigation, deep mopping, and nearly hands-free maintenance. Its powerful and feature-rich performance makes it our number 1 pick for the best robot vacuums of 2026.